I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this. It's like the zinc fence there on the Judgment Yard. Cause a Sizzla Kalonji and Chronixx that though. The Sizzla and Kalonji and Chronixx that. Yeah man people. And in the industry, we need great movements like these. So watch this now. It look like it's a collaboration that go on, you know. It's like Sizzla and Chronixx are work on something, you see me? Yeah man, for boom the world, Rastafari way. So right now, I'm gonna give you my analysis on the zinc fence and the Judgment Yard link up. Judgment Yard, you know, it's a bare judgment, a lone fire and lone lava spit forward out of Sizzla Kalonji in place. See me I say? Yeah, the man there speak words of power and encouragement to uplift the nations. Then Chronixx, zinc fence, you don't know the bands in the normal spiritual energy and influence, you know? A outpour, beats, plus the lead singer Chronixx, wow. High energy people, watch this now. Send energy, Sizzla Kalonji, collaboration with Chronixx. Chronixx I give it to them, skanking sweet, yeah, easily. And right there in the videos you can see a Sizzla Kalonji and Chronixx that. You know what I mean, Chronixx I go on, you know, play the guitar and, you know, I strum the string and I get the vibes to the people them within the congregation and the whole of the rest of them are whole of vibration. So me want to know, it's a great look, me want to know how you guys feel about it. Want to think about it, want to think about a collaboration from Sizzla and Chronixx. You know, the world are wait for something like this. You know what I mean? It will go sell across the world. And then, for the next level again, it's not just about the money. Because a Rasta and them people are always sending a positive energy, upliftment energy, you know? Uplift yourself out of the slum. You can be better. No make nobody hold you down. No make nobody use their mouth and beat you down. You know, Mystery Babylon, which is the system that create and set up certain energies for, you know, belittle the people, them and down press the people and oppress the people. So, Sizzla Kalonji and Chronixx, yeah man, I know say that one I got history. A history that one I go. You know, in a cosmos and fall right back to earth. You know what I mean? The man them channel up that one and I go do it the right way. And attack the music industry and send the message where them need to send and get it out there. Yeah? Chronixx, Rastafari. Them one just cool as the breeze and just easy going and just always a flow. I and I, you know, been at couple stage shows, you know, and been at couple sessions around Chronixx, you know. Even, you know, dub-wise we and, you know, certain vibration. When we're there with the one is just a humble energy, peaceful energy, joyful energy, you know, beer love the one I deal with and him spread that love there from inward, outward, you know, so you can feel it, you know, and project it out deeply. You see me? Yeah man, and Sizzla Kalonji, you know them man they fiery, them man they always have a high energy and always power up the thing right now, crank up family. Yeah man, you know what I mean? Sizzla Kalonji go around the youth them and see them have talent and alright then you can stunt, hold some bike and not just hold some bike but hold some bike and learn to control them the right way. So Sizzla is a foundation in a reggae music and you know it's a great energy for seem of a next young youth where in a reggae music and I do reggae music too and I give him the strength and the empowerment, you know what I mean? Upliftment to reggae music. So let me know, cause right now I see the collaboration super bad, you know, and hot like fire, you know, burning, 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 burning. Yeah man, I see it red man. So tell me how you feel about it and tell me what you think about it. It's burning.
My show, you know. Man. Slower the process, better the result.
Effective.
Yes, Papa, give thanks.
People, at the beer this attack, you know, I just want to subscribe to the thing, you know. As a matter of fact, hit that notification bell there. That red box something there. That's something there. A beer exclusive things are forward. I'm not want my people to miss out. Cause we are lining up the thing on a level. So that little red box there, yeah man, hit it. Hit ding 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 ding. Yeah man, right there. It's your boy Grizzly Bear, Beer Facts, Beer Vibes TV, and I'm out. Beer Vibes and this, Beer Vibes and this, Vibes and this, Beer Vibes and this, Beer Vibes and this, Beer Vibes and this.